Okay, so children, now as we said that we are going to study the algebraic identities. So first we need to understand what is an identity out here. Okay, what do you mean when I say identity? So it is highlighted here properly that an equality which is true for every value of the variable, that is called as an identity. So basically it is an equation. You know what is an equation? Equation has a left hand side
Yes,
to it
yes.
and a right hand side to it.
Right hand
So, but
side.
then in equation what happens is that might be true for one or two values. Like if any equation is given to you, then you have to solve it and you just find, you get answers depending upon the degree of the equation of the polynomial. Linear है तो one solution मिलता है, quadratic है तो two solution मिलता है. So there are some fixed values which satisfy that particular equation, and for different equations you get different solutions, right? Now but when we are talking about
Yes,
identity,
yes.
so identity is something which is a universal truth. It is always true. Okay. So whatever be the values, the answer or the resultant always comes out to be like that. That is what an identity is. So some of the identities
Yes,
that you have to
yes.
right now memorize are your standard identities here. So that's on page 149 given to you. The very first identity, which finds a plus b whole square, square of a
Yes, yes.
binomial. So if you have to find square of a binomial, you're observing as out here, it gives you square of the first number plus square of the second number and plus 2 times product of those numbers. So what are you observing? See, on the left hand side you had a plus b whole square. On the right hand side you're getting first three terms. Okay, that will help you memorize your identity कि हमें three terms मिलेंगे and वो three terms कैसे होंगे? Out of those, two terms will be squares of the numbers. ओके, स्क्वायर ऑफ
Yes,
ए
yes.
एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ बी. और एक टर्म क्या आएगा? प्रोडक्ट आएगा, टू टाइम्स द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू, मल्टीप्लाइंग दीज टू नंबर्स. सो हेंस ए स्क्वायर plus 2ab plus b square. Always, whatever be the values of a and b out here, any binomial, if you square, it will be equivalent to, or it will be equal to square of the first one number plus square of the other number plus two times the product of the numbers. Okay, so this is what our
Yes,
first
yes.
identity is. Now it's down below you see second identity, only slightly differs that by a minus sign. ऊपर था a plus b का square, यहाँ आ रहा है a minus b का square. Again, it's a binomial, but there's a minus sign for second number. Okay, so if it is a minus b whole square, what are you observing in this? Again, you have a square, then you have minus 2ab and a plus b square. So terms utne hi hai. Again, you have three terms here as well, out of which two are squares. Both again, both numbers का square आ रहा है, and जो product term है वो minus हो जा रहा है. So if you compare the first and the second identity here, there is only this slight difference कि बीच में यहाँ प्लस था तो ये प्रोडक्ट टर्म प्लस था, यहाँ माइनस है तो प्रोडक्ट टर्म माइनस हो गया.
Minus हो गया.
स्क्वायर्स दोनों नंबर के आने हैं. सो आई डोंट थिंक सो, ये यहीं का यहीं याद हो सकता है आराम से आइडेंटिटी, राइट? देन यू हैव अनदर आइडेंटिटी
Yes,
हियर.
yes.
What are we observing in this one now? A plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square.
Minus
So what are we
B
observing? We have
square.
sum of two numbers, and then we have difference of two numbers, and then that is coming equivalent to square of the first number, जो दोनों टाइम पॉजिटिव था उसका स्क्वायर आया, माइनस स्क्वायर ऑफ द सेकेंड नंबर, जो एक बार प्लस हो रहा था और एक बार माइनस हो रहा था, वो उसका भी स्क्वायर आएगा बट विद अ माइनस साइन इन फ्रंट. ओके,
Yes,
दैट विल
yes.
जस्ट हेल्प यू. अगर आप समझ के करोगे तो याद रखना विल बिकम इजी फॉर यू. सो वी हैव sum
Yes,
of two
yes.
numbers into difference of two numbers equal to square of the first number minus square of the second number. So these three, and then one more fourth identity out here you have. In this, what are we observing? It's x plus a into x plus b, which is coming as x square a plus b times x plus ab. तो इसमें क्या ऑब्जर्व किया अब आपने? सी यू हैव वन नंबर सेम इन बोथ द बाइनोमियल्स. यू हैव एक्स हियर, यू हैव एक्स हियर, सेम नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है. ओके, इट कैन बी एनी नंबर बट x and x it will be same. Then you have plus some other number here, and these numbers are changing. A and b are different
Yes,
numbers.
yes.
Okay, so if you come across such a product in which you have a number x plus a and the same number x plus some other b, then we say this product comes out to be square of the same number. जो number same था हमारा दोनों binomials में था उसका square आ जा रहा है. फिर we are multiplying that number which was same, that was x, with sum of the different numbers a and b जो हमारे different थे, तो a plus b उनको add करके multiply करना है with the number which was same. Okay, and last term again product of the unlike numbers a into b, ये multiply हो जाने. Okay, so all of them are having 3 terms out here if you go to see. Okay, the first, second and the fourth identity, of course. Okay, and the third one was a bit different. This was actually giving you product of these two which had only 2 terms, but ये calculation के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा useful होती है ये identity. Later on when you will see, you will observe how much this identity is going to help you in your higher classes. Okay, so children, this is your job for today. First you have to thoroughly learn these identities, only 4 identities, and they are all related, easy. Just learn them, and after that you will read through these solved examples, a number of solved examples, go through them, try to understand how they are applying identities. I will come to straight away the exercise. Okay, the unsolved questions I will take up from here, and from here only I'll explain you how we can apply these identities that we have just studied. Okay, so I am straight away coming to 9.5 and taking up questions here. You try to follow them, and then you can, after the class, you can get back to your reading the solved examples and try to see more how to solve them. Okay, so let's take up question number 1 here from 9.5. So first question is use a suitable identity. See, they've written suitable identity. तो आपको question को देख के पहले recall करना पड़ेगा कि okay, हमने 4 identities पढ़ी थी. Out of those 4 identities, which form is being satisfied here? ये जो मेरा given expression है, ये कौन सी वाली identity के form को match कर रहा है? फिर आप वही particular identity लगाओगे and to get your product or your solution. Okay, so the first thing is to observe कि ये कौन सा form आया है, and then recall your identity and then apply it, right? So the first one is very simple. You will try it yourself, children. Once I explain you 3-4 parts I will take from here, and then you can try the remaining to check कि आपको कितना समझ आया है, right? So I am straight away taking the second part here, that is 2y plus 5 and 2 into 2y plus 5. So how to solve that? Okay, just wait for a while. I will change my screen. Okay, here we go. Why is this taking long? Okay, children, here we go. Okay, so I have solved some parts from here. Now you just see and try to follow them. So the part that I was discussing with you just now, this is the one, second part. Okay, so in this we had 2y plus 5 to be multiplied to again 2y plus 5. So same things being multiplied twice. So जैसे x into x square होता है, so this is actually practically 2x plus 5 whole square form आ गया. Okay, तो a number plus another number whole square. तो कौन सा form आया ये, कौन सी identity आई आपकी? a plus b whole square. Okay, this one. This is the one, a plus b whole square, which was equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So accordingly, हम इसमें हमारा a की जगह है 2y. This will be replaced by a. In place of a, we will put 2y and b हमारा क्या है 5. जो plus से पहले आ रहा है, that is a. What comes after plus is b. So a square means 2y square, then plus b square and plus 2 into a into b. You don't have to get confused with this, children. Okay, ये plus minus में we know an addition of numbers. I can write any number in front. I can either write 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So ये product term यहाँ पे बीच में लिखा है, यहाँ last में लिख दिया है मैंने. You don't have to panic or get confused. Okay, we can write it in any order, right? So what is important is कि हमारा first number का square आना है, फिर second number का square आना है, and 2 times दोनों का product आना है. That is what the identity is telling us. Okay, order can be anything. You can write this in between and this later. that will not make any difference. Okay, now 2y होल स्क्वायर, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे. होल स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लगा था वहां पे, पूरे का स्क्वायर होना है, तो 2 का भी स्क्वायर होगा. 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 2 2s are 4 and y square. Then 5 square is 25 and now you multiply. अब ये multiplication हमने already कर रखा है, so we know how to multiply. 2 3s are 4, 5s are 20y. That is how you get your product. Okay, so this is use of our first identity, a plus b whole square. Then I've used second example to show proof of use of a minus b whole square, because it was in the form 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Same things being multiplied 2 times, 3a minus half whole square. So a square, that would be, इस time a की जगह है पूरा 3a, तो 3a का whole square लिखोगे ऐसे bracket में रख, that is called whole square, पूरे का square. तो 3 का भी square, a का भी square, 3 का square हो जाएगा 9 and a square, a का square, a into a is a square only, right? Then फिर plus में 20 का square आता है, b की जगह यहाँ पे है हमारे पास 1 by 2, so we will square 1 by 2, square of numerator as well as denominator, square of 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4. So this number becomes half square is 1 by 4. Then the product 2 into 3a into half, 2ab. अब इसमें आपका ये half and 2 is getting cancelled. You will cancel out whatever you can and then write the remaining product, which is coming out to be only minus 3a. Be careful about the sign. अगर यहाँ minus था तो product term minus हो जाएगा. Squares are always positive in these identities. Okay, the first two identities. Clear? Now, likewise,
Yes, miss.
this is
Yes, miss.
using our third identity. Next example is using third identity, which is a minus b into a plus b. अब वही मैंने बोला, order doesn't make a difference. Identity में maybe हमने लिखा था a plus b into a minus b. You can switch over, we can change this position. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, whether I write plus first or minus first. Okay, so क्योंकि आपका question में minus पहले given था, so I have written it in this form, a minus b into a plus b. But what is important is numbers एक बार add हो रहे हैं और एक बार subtract हो रहे हैं. This product comes out to be square of one number minus square of the second number. Obviously जो minus था उसका ही minus square आएगा, right? तो वो आइडेंटिटी आपकी यहाँ लग रही है. इस क्वेश्चन को अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करते हो, इस एक्सप्रेशन को, यू आर सीइंग 1.1 minus 0.4. Then another bracket again 1.1 m. See, ये दोनों सेम है, तो ये a बन गया हमारा. And 0.4 here, 0.4 here as well. So ये b बन गया. एक बार माइनस, एक बार प्लस. So आप फर्स्ट नंबर का भी स्क्वायर करोगे, that is 1.1 m square whole square again and 0.4 square. अब जब इसको स्क्वायर करना है, forget about the decimal, just see the number as 11 and 11 square is 121 and double the number of decimal places. Squaring कर रखा है हमने नंबर का, तो if it was 1, if the number had a single decimal place, its square will have 2. Squaring में decimal place भी square हो जाती है. Okay, so this will become 1.21 and m का भी square obviously. Then see this as 4 only. 4 square is 16. One decimal place इसमें थी, तो यहाँ 2 हो जाएंगी, तो this will actually become 0.16. तो सेम चीज है, वैसी आइडेंटिटी लगनी है. It's only that there were decimal numbers there, but focus के साथ आप करो. Decimals is also nothing new for you. You have been taught that from your classes 4, 5, 6 onwards. Right? So likewise, the next example that you have here is also utilizing the same, children. See, it's again a square plus b square, then you have minus a square plus b square. तो थोड़ा उसने लिखने में करा है, डिफरेंट वे से लिखा है, बट बात वही है. एक बार सेम नंबर्स हैं. चिल्ड्रन प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ, देयर इज डिस्टर्बेंस कमिंग, रेस्ट ऑफ देम गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब्ड. Okay, so that's a square plus b square and this is b square minus a square. So फॉर्म वही आई, देखो आपका एक नंबर है b square सेम एंड फिर a square सेम, एक बार ऐड होना है, एक बार माइनस होना है. So this is the same identity applicable. It's of the form you have a plus b and a minus b, 2 being multiplied. So it will be square of the number which is exactly the same, even the sign same, that was your b square, and minus जो दूसरा नंबर था, जो एक बार प्लस हो रहा था एक बार माइनस, उसका भी स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, वो माइनस होगा. ओके, सो यू फॉर राइटिंग कन्वीनियंस, for understanding it properly, you can change the form like I've done. I've written a square plus b square as b square plus a square, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा फिर था, इसको भी रीअरेंज कर दिया, b square minus a square, ताकि ये easily दिख जाए that this time my a is b square and in place of b I have a square, once with plus once with minus. Okay, तो थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है चिल्ड्रन. इट इज नॉट रियली डिफिकल्ट, बट येस इट इज वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग. आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड स्टूडेंट्स इसमें बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं. कहीं a का a लिख देते हैं, कहीं a स्क्वायर का a फॉर बनाना छोड़ के a स्क्वायर. सो दोस टाइप ऑफ मिस्टेक्स यू एंड अप डूइंग इनिशियली, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, विद प्रैक्टिस वो आ जाएगा. यू जस्ट नीड टू फोकस अ लिटिल बिट. ओके, तो ध्यान से आइडेंटिटी याद करो, रिलेट करो, ऑब्जर्व करो, क्या मेरा फर्स्ट नंबर की जगह है. दैट्स व्हाई I'm not only using a and b, I keep saying first number, second number, same number, different numbers, that way. Okay, so that आपको थोड़ा clear होता जाए. All right, so this is now b squares square you'll have to do. See here we have written b square, again in bracket square, then likewise a squares also whole square. तो square का square करोगे, so 2 2s are 4 हो जाएगी total power. Okay, b to the power of 4, या b square into b square. So you add up the powers, 2 plus 2, whichever way you understand. Likewise, a square comes out to be a to the power of 4. Okay, so that's how you get your this solution. One more part I have done. Let's see, maybe we understand it better, and then you'll try sums on your own. Okay, so this is also a simple identity. This is your which form now? A plus b whole square. Okay, simply a binomial's square. A plus b whole square, which used to be a square. So in place of a we have x by 2. तो x by 2 का whole square रख दिया हमने. Then b का square बोला हमने, तो b की जगह अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? 3y upon 4. So 3y upon 4 whole square. Please put it in bracket. It has to be whole square. Everything has to be squared, whatever was in place of b. Then it was plus 2 times product of the numbers. So 2 into first number was x by 2, second was 3y by 4. अब आप इसको स्क्वायर को ओपन करोगे, so न्यूमरेटर का स्क्वायर x square is x square and square of 2 is 4. So this becomes x square upon 4. Okay. Then next is 9. 3 square becomes 9 and y squared from here, 4 square 16. So hence this is 9y square upon 16. And if you're doing this product term, cancel karoge isme, so jo cancel ho sakta hai. So a 2 is getting cancelled. That is all. So we are left with 3 in numerator and 4 in denominator. So 3 by 4 and x into y. Okay. So that is how it is. Clear, children? Now likewise you will try the remaining parts. थोड़े बहुत इसके छूट गए, 3-4 parts, and then you will report आपसे कितना हो पाया, कितना नहीं, or I'll take that problems with you. Okay?
Okay, miss.